see in this video I'll show you what is that shorthand assignment operator. As you already familiar of that assignment operator, that so this is called what? If I'll assign int a equals to 1, it is called a assignment operator. Means assign the value to this variable what we are using equal to sign. So that is your assignment operator. What is the shorthand assignment operator? Now see with one example here. If I need int a, okay, so if I have written int a equals to 1 and print that 1. Now if I'll write like this, a plus 1 equals to 1. Okay, so now see over here in the output screen is also I have opened it before. Now the first time it is shown 1 because I have written a equals to 1, so it is showing with the print screen it is showing 1. Here it is next time a plus or equal to 1 means what? It will increase. We can say that it means that a equals to a plus 1. It means what? We can compare it like this: a equals to a plus 1. It means it will increment with a. It means what? It means this only, a equals to a plus, means what is the value of a? What is the value of a? 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, and so this particular 2 result is also we can store in the same variable, means that is called your shorthand operator. We can remove this. Now we'll see in the output screen. Now see the next time what happens, it will increment with 2. So 2 is in the output screen, it will show 2. The next time a minus equals mean it will decrease again. What is the value of 2? Next time the a value is 2. It will minus with 1. So the result will come in this output screen 1. Same like a into or equals to 1 means we have to multiply, means a, what is the result? What is the value of a? 1. 1 into 1. 1 into 1 means 1. 1 into 1 means 1. And now if I'll divide 1, if I'll divide 1 with 1, if I'll divide with 1, okay, so and I want and showing the and storing and showing the result in showing the a. Here when you divide a divide 1 means 1 divide 1, it means what? 1 divide 1, so the result will come 1. Okay, now with mod means the remainder. It is asking, this is a quotient. Okay, it returns this returns divide, this sign returns the quotient. Okay, quotient value, and it returns the remainder value. When we do this, a mod equals to 1, it means when you divide 1, the result will come, means in the remainder the result will come 0, so it will show the 0 over here. Okay, I hope this video is helpful for you. Okay, if you will not understand, please ask. Thank you.